Welcome to Galaxy's Online Academy. Today we are going to discuss about science experiment. These experiments we are going to do to identify the starch. This is the starch test. Okay, let's go to our science lab to do this experiment. To identify the starch, I got some food materials. Now you can see what are the food materials I got. Potato, rice, sugar cubes and salt. Then also we have to use iodine solution to identify starch. Now look at the color of the iodine solution. It is yellowish brown color. Now I will put some drops of iodine solution to rice, potato. Right now look at the color change of it. You can see the iodine solution change into purplish blue color. Also look at, I will put some drops onto the sugar cubes and also salt powder. Then but does not change the color. Now you can understand if starch present of the food, the iodine solution, the brown color change into purplish blue color. It is the identification of the starch. Then also you can watch more science experiment. Quickly you subscribe and also click the bell icon. Share this video among with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.